hope you cleaned up. Say hi.
Hello everybody.
Say hi.
Hi to the world.
Not doing it again. And there's absolutely no way I'm climbing this shit. Hi guys, so sorry for starting in between. I forgot. I really wanted to just do my makeup and go out, but I just thought get ready with me as I go out on my last day in Lagos. So yeah, just watch me get ready, watch me get beautiful, and I'll take you guys with me. It's an old series, Oliver Queen. Do you know that Suits is doing a reboot?
Yeah, I saw that suit
And it's Oliver Queen that is in.
Yeah, you know the thing, I saw it. The first look for me, I was trying to think, where do I know this person
Yeah,
from?
you know these people, bro.
But I didn't, it did not click.
That's him, and they actually they did the premiere yesterday, but
Wow.
and Oliver Queen and Harvey showed up.
Showed up, yeah. I saw, you know, now on TikTok.
Anyway, we took down food to the site because it was really close to the hotel where I was staying at, and the price for the boat was ridiculous. So and it was literally just on the express, so we took the bus and we got there. It's the prettiest site. So basically we just walked through this walkway and then we got into the actual compound of the conservation center, and we made our way to the place where they were doing ticketing. And I was hungry and I needed to take medicine, so I had to eat that funny looking food which was overpriced. And then we got our wristbands, and then they sat us in this room with other people who were waiting to be complete as a group first, and then they put these YouTubers for us to watch. They were basically just telling us what to expect inside the conservation center, and I guess this was what they showed us while we waited for the rest of the group to join. So when we were complete, we all made our way to where we were going to begin our adventure from. This is my group, and then we were given some orientation.
Family park, and also leads to the canopy entrance. So the canopy is the longest in Africa, second in the world. It contains 7 bridges. The length of the canopy is 2.1 kilometers. The highest point of it is 73 feet high from the sea level. It's swing left and right, you understand? It's not still. So it's just to test your ability venture, do you understand? So at the family park, there is vendor there. If you want to buy whatever you want to buy, do you understand? We don't allow food there when we're going in because of our monkey, do you understand? And plastic too.
Blood of Jesus. Also, this thing is scaring me. God, let me walk fast. Holy shit. Thank you. When I tell you we took every opportunity to take pictures because this place was just so green and beautiful, I mean it. But before we climbed the canopy walkway, there was this little boy and he was just really sad. You can see his face in the pictures. He was so sad because they said children couldn't climb, and I was happy to be an adult. I was just there shining my teeth, and this is where we took that picture with the little boy. And yeah, we're just getting up to climb before the horror began. I was so happy to be an adult because I was like, for once I get to decide if I'll climb or not.
Yeah, just keep going. Slap.
There's more. Ladies. This is why you should do your makeup really well regardless of where you're going to. Because after all that hurdle, I dabbed my face and my tissue was still clean, you guys. I'm going to keep a shameless plug here. You should book Candy's Makeover for your makeup, or you should buy products from me because I sell only the best. I mean, if there's anything you need as evidence, there's my face. So while I was busy fighting for my life, my man was busy recording and walking on this walkway like it was his park, like it was his backyard. I mean, absolutely no shaking at all. It's admirable. I feel very secure. And then there's me fighting for my life and walking. And guess what? My shoe spoiled in the park. I just kicked my leg and it opened up. Like I had an injury that was in progress of healing on this particular foot. And that's the same leg that the shoe spoiled from. I was already tired, annoyed, and oh my god, I was just grateful to still be able to enjoy the experience. We're out from the crazy places and walking back to sanity because it's not me that is climbing that thing again. We're out of the airstrip or the canopy walk. I'm pretty sure my heart was in my mouth the whole time because looking down is such a bad idea. Glad I did it. Not doing it again. But we're walking back out. Let's see what else this place has. Well, this place had this nice park and we took advantage and took some really nice pictures there. And yes, we're engaged. And this is the place the tour guide told us we could get food from. On this side of the park, there was a chessboard and there was this guy. He took the most amazing pictures of us. I'll show you guys. This guy is so nice. He's taking the most beautiful pictures of us. Photoshoot time. So we lost track of our group, and there was this tour guide that told us that there's another pool with another type of fish, and we went with him to see the fish. So he said he'd get their food, and only their food that will bring them to the surface. So he kept on putting the food. He put the first time, they did not come out. He put again, they did not come out. I was like, I can't see it too. Are they moving?
Just
Under? Are they the ones that are light colored?
yeah, orange, white.
Are they not coming to the surface? They want to finish all the food.
Yeah, sure.
Who finish their food though?
I'm not saying it's cold.
If they no one come out.
They are coming towards the surface.
They come.
It's not like the food is sinking now. See, this one wants to come up. Yes. What?
Nice. Beautiful.
Jesus, they don't see me. God, I beg. Damn. This is the tree house. Look at one of its residents up there. Monkey. And there's absolutely no way I'm climbing this shit. Because before I reach up, I would have pooped my guts. Don't come down, no.
Let me go.
If you go and this is jump down, I'll just.
Yeah, now.
Alright. Guys, it was at this point that I realized that this monkey is actually mad. The monkey saw my bag and immediately saw red because it thought maybe I had food or something in my bag. And there was absolutely nothing inside. That was why they were like, don't carry your water, don't carry anything. And I was there with my tote bag. This monkey wrestled. I stood behind like 4 people. They had to fend it off. I didn't have liver to record it too. I was fighting for my life. No, I know this. No. The walkway is up, and you can hear people screaming Jesus, because that's who you can see from up here. After the longest journey, we finally made it to the end of the walkway. This is how it looks. I think this is picture worthy, don't you think? Let's see if we can find me something to wear here. I'll salvage my feet. This is called the souvenir shop. Let's see if we have slippers that are not outrageously expensive. Each one?
The latest, yes. And this one I'm talking about. So this is 10,000. But this one too. Yeah, 1,500. Yes.
Long story short, I didn't buy the slippers because they're like designed bathroom slippers for 15,000 naira. I think I'll pass. I'll manage this comfort until I find something that is worth that money. See you guys later. Hold on. One ice cream. This is mine. Sprinkles.
Snatch their babies.
Jesus. These monkeys are moving mad. Monkey almost snatched my tote bag. I almost lost it. I wish I could have recorded it, but I was too scared out of my mind. That thing was looking me dead in the eye. Mama, let me come and go because it just snatched one baby's ice cream before I had to collect my hard-earned ice cream. So long, Conservation Center. I'll see you next time. On to the beach.